Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm putting together a brownie dessert, just in case you didn't get enough sweets and desserts at Christmas time. Or you have a mom who has a tendency to give them away to the neighbors. Today I'm putting together cookie brownie bites. Let's see what we're gonna need. This can be a quick and dirty dessert, although we did put our cookie dough together from scratch. Using a box brownie mix, although we do have an excellent scratch brownie recipe. If you need more instructions for making the cookies or the brownies, the links to both those videos are at the end of this one, as well as in the description box below. I've chosen a brownie mix that does not have chocolate chips because we are using chocolate chips in our cookie dough. And if your instructions have both a cakey or a fudgy recipe, use the fudgy. Let's put this dessert together. Cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then they're coming out of the pan to cool all the way, or you could serve them slightly warm. It's time to give these brownie cookie bites a taste. Now they're very soft, so it's actually better to let them cool completely. And I know they're delicious, they're so fudgy. Oh my word. Perfect. We got one there, this one here. The dog's trying to go out. Another dog is eating. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.